Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain question answers from chapter Honors and Awards. First is, which is the highest Bharatiya Public Award? Which is the highest Bharatiya Public Award? कौन सा मीन्स highest award है? Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest Bharatiya Public Award. Bharat Ratna is the highest Bharatiya Public Award. Which is the second highest Bharatiya Public Award? Padam Vibhushan. Padam Vibhushan is the second highest Bharatiya Public Award. Padam Vibhushan is the second highest Bharatiya Public Award. First highest Bharat Ratna, second highest Padam Vibhushan. Which is the third highest Bharatiya Public Award? Padam Bhushan. Padam Bhushan is the third. First is Bharat Ratna, second is Padam Vibhushan, third is Padam Bhushan. Which is the fourth highest Bharatiya Public Award? Fourth highest Padam Shri. Padam Shri is the fourth highest Bharatiya Public Award. Padam Shri is the fourth highest Bharatiya Public Award. Which is the highest decoration for Valor Award for the bravery in face of enemy? Which is the highest decoration for the Valor Award for bravery in face of an enemy? Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra is the highest decoration for Valor Award फॉर ब्रेवरी इन फेस ऑफ एनिमी. ठीक है, एनिमी जो है दुश्मनों का सामना करने के लिए कौन करने वाले जो शासक होते हैं, बहादुर जो सिपाही होते हैं, उनको कौन सा अवार्ड दिया जाता है? पद्म वीर चक्र. Which is the second highest decoration for bravery award for bravery in face of enemy? सेकेंड अवार्ड कौन सा दिया जाता है जो एनिमीज का सामना करते हैं? महावीर चक्र. फर्स्ट कौन सा दिया जाता है? Paramveer Chakra. Second is Mahavir Chakra. Which is the third highest decoration for valor awarded for bravery in face of enemy? वीर चक्र. एनिमीज का जो है सामना करने वाले सिपाही है उनको कौन सा अवार्ड दिया जाता है? फर्स्ट जो अवार्ड है पद्मवीर चक्र, सेकंड महावीर चक्र, थर्ड वीर चक्र. Next one is, which is the highest peacetime award given for some daring or prominent act of valor? Which is the highest peacetime award? Ashok Chakra. Ashok Chakra is the highest peacetime award given for some daring or prominent act of valor. Which is the second highest peacetime award given for some daring or for meritorious act of valor? Kirti Chakra. फर्स्ट इज अशोक चक्र, सेकंड इज कीर्ति चक्र. Which is the third highest peacetime award given for the daring or prominent act of valor? Surya Chakra. Third is Surya Chakra. Name the award presented to athletes or players every year for the exemplary performance. बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस के लिए प्लेयर्स को कौन से अवार्ड दिया जाता है? अर्जुन अवार्ड. अर्जुन अवार्ड presented to athletes or players every year for the exemplary performance. अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए प्लेयर्स को अर्जुन अवार्ड दिया. Name the award presented to eminent coaches who have successfully trained an international sports person for of fame. द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड. Name the award presented to eminent coaches. कोचेस को कौन सा अवार्ड दिया जाता है? ठीक है, प्लेयर्स को कौन सा दिया जाता है? अर्जुन अवार्ड. कोचेस को कौन सा दिया जाता है? द्रोणाचार्य. कोच गुरु होता है ना, तो अर्जुन के गुरु कौन थे? द्रोणाचार्य. तो उनको कौन सा अवार्ड दिया जाता है? द्रोणाचार्य. Which is the highest award for literature? Gyanpith Award. Which is the highest award for literature? Gyanpith Award. In which year Bharat Ratna and other honors were given to the first time? First time Bharat Ratna and other honors award कब दिए गए थे? 1954. Name the first vice president awarded Bharat Ratna. Name the first vice president awarded Bharat Ratna. Dr. Radha Krishnan. Dr. Radha Krishnan in 1954. First time इनको दिया गया था. Name the first scientist who received Bharat Ratna. Dr. C.V. Raman in 1954. Name the first women to receive Bharat Ratna. श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी. वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कौन से थे? डॉक्टर राधा कृष्णा. वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को कौन से को मिला था सबसे पहले? डॉक्टर राधा कृष्णन को. एंड साइंटिस्ट किसको मिला था? डॉक्टर सीवी रमन को. एंड फर्स्ट वीमेन किसको मिला था? एसएमटी इंदिरा गांधी. नेम द फर्स्ट फॉरेनर हु रिसीव्ड भारत रत्न. फर्स्ट फॉरेनर हु रिसीव्ड भारत रत्न. खान अब्दुल गफर खान. खान अब्दुल गफर खान. Name the first recipient of Bharat Ratna posthumously. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Name the first recipient of Bharat Ratna posthumously. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Next one is, which famous director of Hindi and Bangla films has been awarded Bharat Ratna? Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray is the director of Hindi and Bangla films. Name the famous founder of Gujarat Vidyapeeth who was awarded Bharat Ratna. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the first recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Devika Rani. I am going to repeat all the questions. First is, which is the highest Bharatiya Public Award? Bharat Ratna. Name the second Bharatiya highest public award. Second highest, Padma Bhushan. Third highest, Padma Bhushan. First highest award, public award, Bharat Ratna. Second highest public award, Padma Bhushan. Third highest, Padma Bhushan. Which is the fourth highest Bharatiya public award? Padma Shri. Which is the highest decoration for valor award in bravery in face of enemy? Paramveer Chakra. Second for bravery of the enemies, Mahavir Chakra. Third, Veer Chakra. Which is the highest peace time award given for some daring and prominent act of valor? Ashok Chakra. Which is the second to highest peace time award given for some daring or for meritorious act of valor? Kirti Chakra. Which is the third highest peacetime award given for the daring or prominent act of valor? Surya Chakra. Name the award presented to athletes or the players every year. Arjun Award. Name the award presented to eminent coaches who gave successfully trained in international sports region of fame. Dronacharya Award, which is the highest award for literature. Gyanpith Award, in which year Bharat Ratna and other honors were given for the first time, 1954. अब भारत रत्न किन किन को दिया गया फर्स्ट टाइम? फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट कौन थे जिनको भारत रत्न मिले? डॉक्टर राधा कृष्णन. First scientist Dr. C.V. Raman. First women Indira Gandhi. First foreigner Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. First recipient of Bharat Ratna posthumously Lal Bahadur Shastri. Which famous director of Hindi and Bangla films? Satyajit Ray. Name the famous founder of Gujarat Vidyapeeth who was awarded Bharat Ratna? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And who was the first recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Devika Rani. I hope you must understand. Thanks. Have a nice day.